This is Scott with JSA Foundation Repair. A little noisy out here on near Johnson's Ferry and Roswell Road in Sandy Springs, but we were jacking up a set of steps that's pulled away. It's L-shaped. It comes this way and across and turns down this way. We've got 6 piers driven in here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what we're going to do is push this thing back and try to close this bag gap that's right here, because everything's pulled away. I'm going to hold the camera right here and film it. If y'all crank that machine, we'll see how much we can move. All right, here we go. This side right here is all the way back in. All right, cut that machine off. As you can tell, now that gap is a normal, regular mortar joint. And we'll do the necessary patching on this when we're done. And all of this pushed back over to position. How much did it come up down there? Almost 2 inches. And we still have just enough fall to slope away, and we are level this. There we go. We're level this way, and that's how we do it. Brought this whole porch back into position, saved all of this without falling apart. Just wanted to say another quiet job done by JSA.